It all begins in the tomato fields. Only perfectly ripened tomatoes make the cut. Because in a production line like this, even a single poor quality tomato can affect everything that follows. Just hours after leaving the farm, thousands of kilograms of tomatoes arrive at the factory. But this is only the beginning of their transformation. Before any processing begins, every tomato goes through multiple cleaning stages. Circulating water, air bubbles, and food-grade sanitizing systems remove dirt, debris, and microorganisms invisible to the naked eye. After washing, the tomatoes travel across a perforated stainless steel conveyor belt, allowing excess water to drain naturally through the openings below. As they move forward, high-velocity air knives sweep away the remaining moisture, leaving the tomatoes clean, dry, and ready for the next stage of processing. This is where everything changes. Whole tomatoes disappear into a massive industrial crusher. Within seconds, their structure breaks apart, releasing the juice, pulp, and vibrant natural color hidden inside. The crushed mixture still contains skins, seeds, and fibrous material. A high-speed refining system separates them, leaving behind only the smooth tomato pulp needed for premium sauce. An invisible challenge still remains. Natural enzymes can slowly break down the sauce's texture. A process called hot break rapidly heats the tomato pulp, locking in its body before those enzymes can do any damage. Next comes concentration. Under vacuum, excess water is gently removed without sacrificing flavor or color. Then sugar, salt, vinegar, and carefully measured seasonings are blended in with remarkable precision. Once the sauce reaches its final consistency, it's hot filled into cans with incredible precision. Every container receives the exact amount before being sealed, inspected, and approved for shipment. After passing multiple quality inspections, the finished cans are boxed, palletized, and shipped to distribution centers around the world. Days later, those same cans arrive on supermarket shelves and eventually make their way to family dinner tables. Behind every spoonful is a journey powered by engineering, food science, and dozens of precisely controlled manufacturing steps.